Okay na.
Okay, back to the ball game. Mamba still leading by 11 points.
13 foul. Wala pa.
13 foul Mamba against 0 Titans. 8 minutes and 8 seconds to play for the third period. Albert will try to bring down the lead at free throw area. Makes the first shot. 10-point lead in favor of Mamba. Second shot is still good, and that brings down the lead to 9 points. Last shot. Mak receives the ball from Nuki. Back to Mak. Nuki 10-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Tuloy lang, tuloy, naibitaw. Pataas na pito lang. 43-36. Fast break play, pass. Maritoye, shot! Come on! Tumaba! Baba sa 5 lamang, and it's a 5-0 run. 7-0 run, Mamba.
The score.
Score number 43, Titans 38, 5-point lead in favor of Mamba as we reach the 7 minutes and 40 seconds of the third period. And those numbers has been brought to you by Apple George. Maligihay na ba? Apple George? Alas 10 lang.
Lalabas na.
Back to the ball game. Lumalalim na ang gabi. Delikado na sa daan. Tumatang agad sa 5 lamang. 7-0 run. 7 minutes 14 seconds to play for the third period. Mamba 43, Titans 38.
Go Christian! Go
Christian. Ace passer 3. Ball rebounded by Edward. Edward brings down the ball to Albert. Albert goes all the way underneath the basket. Edward, and that brings down the lead to 3 points. Passway! Na-recover daw. Hot picks. And a steal by Albert. Nice pass. Yeah, wala nang bantay. Six minutes, 2 seconds to play for the third period. Substitution. Christian out. Maritoni out. Lamang pa rin ang 3 ang Mamba. 6 minutes, 2 seconds. Palit bola muna tayo. Pasana.
Basahan dito sa bag mismo nito sa akin.
Diskarte, Mac. Diskarte. Okay, baba mo lang. Kaya Benji. Oh!
10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock. And one. Ball number 14. First team foul, Titans.
Mamaya. Naka-release.
Mamaya na ibigay niya.
Naka-shoot, sir. Yeah.
Na-shoot. Ating na uli ang lamang. 3 points! Papasa pa uli! Lugana to Bakbak. Almost a steal. Ace Pondalo hits. And a rebound by Messi. Good. 10 second shot clock. Lugana loses the ball. Fastball play, back on it.
Bola. Normal lang. Okay lang yan? Okay lang yan. Okay, bola. Pwede tayo.
Regular foul.
Foul lang tayo, foul lang.
Regular foul.
Sab.
Substitution, back out.
Okay.
46, Mamba Titans. 43, 3-point lead, 4 minutes 43 seconds.
Para ba? Regular foul lang. Apat na.
Hindi special ang foul, regular lang. Walang halong itlog.
Apat.
Hindi special. Asado lang, siopaw asado.
Baliktad yan, oh.
Dantoy. And that cuts down the lead to 2 points. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. And this is still Benji all the way. Nice shot.
Baba.
Apat ng lamang ulit.
Tao. Good.
June second try. And one. Penalty. Time up, Titans. Papasa dalawang lawang at mag-free throw si June. The score Mamba 48, Titans 46, 4 minutes and 18 seconds to play for the third period. Mamba is now in penalty situation against one team foul for Titans.
Grabe na ng foul ko. Pero parang okay ang panahon ngayon. Hindi maano. Daming mga viewers kayo nanonood ah.
Marami.
Ilan?
12 million.
Ha?
12 million. Shout out kay Has. Ano pagbasa nito? Haisi, Kaka. Welcome to the live service.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Nakagat sila ni Maranan lahat eh. Kaya ganyan ang mga player mo, Tony Boy. Kaya nagkagaya mga player mo, pinagat ni Maranan.
Bonus shot! Papasang sa lamang, Mamba 48, Titans 47. Gandang laban to. Christian. Tulogin na kay Sato Benji. Benji Hayes. There's the shot. Ball rebounded by Benji. Basta ace. Ramos fires a three. June recovers the ball. Baba pa lang daw. Penalty. Penalty.
Pinati na.
Go, Ramos!
Si Campao, Lupina.
Second personal foul, Danny Lobena.
May bibingka kayo! Walang bibingka! Manalo matalo, may bibingka!
Yun, kumulong yung pangalawang tira.
Lala. Dili kayo mo.
Nangyari. Tataganan yung kamay.
Tayuan nyo, huwag nyo ipunan yan.
Okay? Substitution na. Pahinga mo na si Loki. Natali yung daliri.
Kaya yan, fighting lang, fighting.
Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 37 seconds to play for the third period.
Fighting lang, fighting.
Nice steal! Pagtonic! June! Tabla na tayo! Ay ba? Isa pa. Tabla na nga! Same ball. Palitan na lang naman.
17 seconds.
17 seconds shotgun. Asmar. Yan, lamang na uli ng apat.
Yari. Tayo na pag natalo rin.
Napauli sa dalawa.
Ang pagi mo!
Substitution. Benji out, Makmakin. 2 minutes 17 seconds. Substitution. Danilo out, John in. Mac rebounds the ball. Nice steal, Catholic. Asmar. It's out to Ramos. Second shot clock. Edwards takes. Nice shot by Edwards. Tabla na naman tayo. Tabla na naman sa 54. John. 10 seconds shot clock. Holding foul. Time out. Penalty.
Regular foul lang yan, di ba?
Regular foul based on penalty. Regular lang, hindi special. Walang halong itlog.
Lambing lang yun, lambing.
Score.
Score natin all 54. 57 seconds to play for the third period. Ika-anin na deadlock na yan ang laro na ito.
Ito na po talaga.
Hindi ko na natidinig yung pating. Okay, back to the ball game. Lumalalim na ang gabi. Delikado na sa daan. Ayan na yung pating. Last 57 seconds to play for the third period, and we are tied at 54. June will try to break. Second throw for June. At lamang na ang Titans ng isa. And a steal by Maritones. First 24 seconds. Eight second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 second shot clock. Kuya Bogs. Same ball. 3 second shot clock.
Palit mula.
Okay, change ball. Change ball tayo.
Basta talaga yung bola o.
Sige, mamaya mo na punasan. Sige, punasan mo. 24 seconds violation. Ten second shot clock. 5 seconds. 3 days violation. Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds now for the third period. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Score.
Nagbasag na bago pa man na ipitawan po.
Score.
Score, Titans 55, Mamba 54. Lamang naman ngayon ng Titans ng 1 point. Fourth and last quarter.
Tensyonado ng mga fans.
Pangalawa, ang bibilis ng dalawa. Tapos ang bilis din nila. Susunan na lang ulit. Kasi effective pa. Kasi yan ang nangyayari, nagawa na yan. Naiiwan sila. Eh, iyon, sumalaksak. Nandun yung mga nakasasunan. Oy, magpasok kayo na ibang player dito sa labas. Tigpas na sila. Dapat magsona na lang sila.
Naku po, hindi napasok si Kuya Raya.
Hindi effective yung man-to-man. Kita mo, hindi sila lumalayo.
Wala si ano, sa pili.
Back to the ballgame. Fourth and last quarter. Napakagandang laban.
Mamba bo.
1 point lead.
Mamba bo.
1 point lead. Isa-isa lang ang lamang. Lamang lang talaga sa pogi ang Mamba.
Ha!
Yes, Manda!
Yun, oh. Shout out kay Marasigan.
Hindi na makapasok si Dory.
Pero si Ryan Marasigan.
Adrian Marasigan. Kung nasang ka man, dyan ka lang. Christian receives the ball. At itinuro na wala ang araw sa Titans. Nice shot! Just to cut the net. Kuya Box. 3 days violation. 3 seconds violation. John playing as point guard for Mamba. All the way, uses the board. Tercero recovers the ball. The second shot clock. Makmak. Takes. Carter. Basket count. At lamang na ngayon ng isa ang Mamba. Mamba 56, Titans 55. Maritoni bumito sa 3. Case. 10 second shot clock. John Pitts. Ace of 3 points. Albert. To Edward. Foul number 29, Makmak. Holding foul. Substitution. John out. Snooki in.
Snooki sir na.
Ayan, nagbibigay ng instruction si Monsignor.
Wala, Edward. 10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock.
Foul rep.
Second team foul number. Who's foul rep?
Who's foul rep? 8.
Number 8. Tercera.
Sigang foul.
Iyon, medyo napatalon. Napasipol si Albert doon. Second try.
Uy.
Ayan na si Makmak, receive the ball. Tabla na naman tayo sa 56. 10 second shot clock.
Kapit niya yung bola, ikot.
3, 2, 1, 3 points yan. Sige, diretso lang, naibitaw na. Edward uses the board. Yun lang, nag-cramps na.
Istiri ka lang dyan.
10 second shot clock. Good. John Fix. 3 days violation. Injury timeout. Substitution. Stop muna. Palit muna.
Sobrang niya sa pagod.
Bye-bye! Mamba.
Sobrang sa pagod.
Shout out.
Inom tubig.
Idol.
Na dehydrate na ang iyong muscles.
Score. It's a tie.
It's a tie. We are tied at 56. 7 minutes 4 seconds to play.
Ang ilang bagong depensa nila. Pinapagod nila yung sarili. Ang bibilis ng ano yun, ng Mamba. Naiiwan sila ng Mamba.
Ikaw ba naman bawal ka dyan? Bawal ka dyan. Ting uniform mo.
Pakitabi lang ng gusto si Makmak at baka maapakan, madoble-doble pa ang injury.
Sobrang sa pagod yun.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Sobrang sa pagod yun.
Back to the ball game. Inom ka ng tubig, Mac. Dehydrated ka na. Bola ng Titans. Ang Mamba.
Shout out kay Salaudin.
Shoutout sa'yo, Salahuddin. Happy viewing. Kung saan ka man nandun, dyan ka lang. Mr. Pat. Nuki Lopez inside to Ace Speaks. Tumama sa ilalim ng board. Nahawakan ba? Nahawakan.
Isa.
Edward. Tumira sa tres. On by Nuki. Nakagaw na Edward. Edward. Natapon ng sabaw. Missed opportunity for Titans. Naitapon ng sabaw. Oy, 13 million ang ating home viewers. Danger to Ace. Ace bothered by Edward. And a steal! Sakto sa labas.
Pinilit ka sa ipas. Second shot clock. Low.
Ano talaga? Friends, friends.
10 seconds. Edward Ololo. At lamang na ang Titans ng dalawa. Nuli. And a stay. And it's a 4-0 round. Titans. Basket count.
Time out? Time out ka.
Time out. Mamba.
Score.
Dalawang time out na yung Mamba na. Hindi, isa pa lang. Dalawa na, no? Time out sila kanila.
Pangalawa ngayon.
Pangalawa ngayon. Isa na lang time out nyo, ha?
Score, Titan 60, Mamba 56.
Timeouts left. Titans 3 timeout.
Sa loob ng 7 minutes, kaya nag-time out sila ng 5 minutes. Wala pang time out.
Timeouts left. Titans 3 timeouts. Mamba 1 timeout left. 5 minutes and 19 seconds to play for this last period. Titans is now leading by 4 points. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes 19 seconds to play. Titans is now leading by 4 points. And Albert will try to add a lead at free throw area. Pasok, 5 na lamang. 5 minutes 19 seconds. 61 Titans, Mamba 56.
Mahal na yan.
Dok ng laban. Palitan lang ng lamang. Huwag lang mukha ang magpapalitan. 8 seconds shot clock. Ace Montalo receives the ball. Inside to Makmak. Makmak loses the ball. Ball recovered by Albert. To Kuya Bogs. To Maritoni. Maritoni spins.
Wala. Bantay.
61-58.
Kristan kasi.
Sabi second shot clock. Kuya Boss, nakawala.
Kuya Bob!
Kuya Boss receives the ball.
Kuya Bob! Kuya Bob! Kuya Bob! Kuya
Maritoni. All the way, Maritoni. Wala pa rin si Maritoni. Ayun. Contribution lang si Maritoni. 7 point lead. 3 minutes 52 seconds. Titans 65, Mamba 58. Relax ka muna dyan. Snooki. Fade away shot. Babawali sa 5 naman. 3 minutes 7 seconds. Mahaba pa to. Still everybody's ball game.
5-6 seconds.
6 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds. Naitira. Good. Maritoni block. Pushing foul, number 14. Substitution. Labas si Bat, labas si Christian, pasok si Benji at si Tercera.
Titans, dalawa? Cigarette mo mo. Titans.
Back. Back to Benji. To Snooki. Takes the jumper.
Halin.
65-60 tayo. Still everybody's ball game. 2 minutes 10 seconds to play. 10 seconds shot clock. Robbery. Last 2 minutes. Gumalak. Titans, last 2 minutes. Gumalak. Pivot.
The score.
The score natin, Titans 65, Mamba 60. In favor of Titans, Titans is leading by 5 points as we reach to 120 seconds of this fourth and last period. Ganda talaga ng chupit ni Referee Arnold. Sino chumupit sa'yo?
Happy birthday daw, Referee Arnold.
Happy birthday! Ay, birthday pala naman.
Pag-ubit na ilang ulang dahilan.
Happy birthday, Referee Arnold. Iyon! May kanta sa cheering squad.
May paawit pa.
Saan ang kainan? Saan ang inuman?
Happy birthday to you nga eh.
Tigisa lang.
Kinakabahan na si manager.
2 minutes.
Instruction na si manager.
Nagbigay na ng instruction si manager kung anong gagawin mamaya. Benji receives the ball back to Tercera. Tercera penetrates to Ace Montalo. Ace Montalo bothered by Elmar. Almost loses the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. Backing court violation. And it's a turnover again for Mamba, and it's their 7th turnover in this ballgame.
Oh, bola!
Back.
Tubig. Inuman mo ng tubig. Na-dehydrate na yung muscle mo.
10 seconds at lang.
10 seconds shot clock. Ramos kicks out to Maritoni. Maritoni almost loses the ball. Picks up by Edward. Tuloy lang. Ayan, fast break play. Opportunity. At papasa tatlo lang. Tatlo lamang, 59 seconds.
Papasok mo yan!
Edward! Balik sa lima! 50 seconds! Still everybody's ballgame. Marami pa pwede mangyari dito. At least Ramos. Halfway play ni John! Dito lamang, 36 seconds. That may have been an icing for the Benji! Lovera, all the way short. Malapit ang balance of Kuya Boots. 18 seconds. At naman ito na. Edward! Shot ng lamang, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and final score, Titans 71, Mamba 62. Ang ating MVP sito. Ang MVP natin ngayon ay si Alvin Planes pa rin.
Alam mo na yung susi, di ba? Susi, alam mo